Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best fermenting crock is probably one of the most versatile and rewarding kitchen tools you can own, allowing you to easily create a wide array of delicious and healthy fermented foods at home, from tangy sauerkraut to spicy kimchi and crunchy pickles, all while harnessing the power of beneficial bacteria and ancient food preservation techniques, transforming simple ingredients into culinary delights and boosting your gut health. Number 5. Humble House Fermentation Crock. It's easy to make your own sauerkraut, kimchi, and pickles with this complete fermentation kit. Enjoy the traditional method of fermenting food, right in your own kitchen. This 2-liter crock is the ideal size for small batches, holding up to 3 pounds of vegetables. It's perfect for making several mason jars worth of fermented goodness. The water channel and lid create an airlock, keeping unwanted elements out while allowing gases to escape. This ensures a safe and successful fermentation process. Made from high-quality ceramic with a lead and cadmium-free glaze, it's built to last. It provides a stable environment for your ferments and looks great in any kitchen. This kit includes a wood tamper and glazed weights to keep your vegetables submerged in brine. This ensures even fermentation and prevents unwanted smells. We stand behind our product with a lifetime warranty. It also makes a wonderful gift for anyone interested in home fermentation. What we like? It comes with everything you need to get started, including weights and a pounder. Its durable ceramic construction ensures it will last for years. If you're looking for a reliable and long-lasting fermenting crock with a guarantee, this is the one for you. What people say? The unit is very solid, and the glazing is perfect throughout. The waves are solid and do the job perfectly. It's a great size for sitting on the counter without taking up too much room. Currently we have made some sauerkraut using 6 heads of green cabbage, and it is excellent, and it has been fermenting for over 10 weeks, and is mighty tasty at 6 weeks. The crock pot works fine. Works great, easy to use and clean. Very well made, will last a long time. This crock is true to size. It makes 5 quarts at a time. It is also very well made. Number 4. Kenley Fermentation Crock. It's easy to make delicious sauerkraut, kimchi, and pickles at home with this crock. Its 1-2-gallon size is perfect for smaller batches. This fermentation jar is made from natural stoneware with a food-safe coating. This prevents oxidation and keeps your vegetables tasting their best. The clever water seal lid allows gases to escape while keeping air out. This ensures proper preservation and delicious results. It comes with weights to keep everything submerged and a pounder to pack down the vegetables, speeding up fermentation. The double-glazed crock is simple to clean and looks great on any countertop. Enjoy the process and the delicious results. With this crock, you'll be enjoying homemade fermented vegetables in no time. It's a simple and rewarding process. What we like? The food-safe coating prevents oxidation and keeps your ferments tasting their best. Its water seal lid ensures proper fermentation. If you prioritize a clean and easy-to-maintain fermenting crock, this is a great option. What people say? The design, while old, is very clever. There is a moat on the top of the crock where the top fits. Keep the moat filled with water and your veggies will gas off and will be protected from possible outside contamination. Gases from inside bubble out. Outside contaminants can't get in. Water in the moat will evaporate, so you'll need to keep an eye on it. The crock holds 2 liters of product with room for the weigh-down stone. It was good quality, was packaged and presented well, nice looking, so it was not a deal breaker. It was nice enough I ended up buying another one before I even tried the first. Number 3. HomeBuddy Fermentation Crock. It's a beautiful and functional fermentation crock, perfect for making your favorite fermented foods at home. Made from high-quality, food-grade ceramic, it ensures safe and reliable fermentation every time. This crock is made of durable, double-glazed ceramic that won't absorb odors or flavors. You can use it for sauerkraut, kimchi, kombucha, or even pickling. Its airtight seal allows gases to escape while keeping outside air out. This creates the perfect anaerobic environment for successful fermentation. Unlike other kitchen tools, you'll want to display this crock. Its elegant design complements various kitchen styles. With its balanced weight and comfortable handles, it's easy to lift, move, and clean. Enjoy the fermentation process without the struggle. We've included a handy acacia wood pounder for easy crushing and a recipe book to inspire your fermentation journey. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, you'll find plenty of ideas. What we like. This crock boasts an airtight seal for perfect fermentation results every time. It even includes a recipe book to inspire your culinary creativity. If you appreciate both functionality and aesthetics in your kitchen tools, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It's ceramic and heavy-duty. Perfect for your kitchen counter too. Easily holds 2 heads of shredded cabbage. What I like the most is that it comes with all the essentials needed for people who are just starting up their fermenting journey. Since purchasing, I've made several batches of sauerkraut, kimchi, and pickled chutneys. Good depth for large quantities. Good size opening to easily load cabbage for sauerkraut. Nice ceramic weights and easy visibility to check water lock. Number 2. 2-gallon crock kit. This kit is perfect for making your own fermented foods and drinks at home. It's made from high-quality, lead-free stoneware, ensuring your creations are safe and delicious. It's crafted in the USA using traditional techniques. This ensures superior quality and durability. This stoneware is made in Zanesville, Ohio, known for its rich pottery history. You're getting a piece of American craftsmanship. It's ideal for making beer, sauerkraut, pickles, kombucha, and more. The possibilities are endless. It's designed for easy use and cleaning, making the fermentation process simple and enjoyable. Enjoy your homemade fermented goods. With a generous 2-gallon capacity, it's perfect for larger batches. Make enough for friends and family. What we like. Made in the USA from high-quality stoneware, it's a durable and safe option. It's lead-free, ensuring your food's safety. If you value American craftsmanship and food safety, this is the crock for you. What people say. The crock was in a box placed inside another box with extra packing paper and peanuts, I think they are called, used to protect the box with the crock inside. And the peanuts were soft and squishy, not the kind that stick to you and everything else. It does look very well made and even better than the picture. Good size. The bigger ones don't come with a lid. Lid makes it easier. It's a great price and you get all you need, without spending more money on much needed parts. The weights and lid. This is a well-built crock, heavy and will do the job. I like the weights that came with it, worked well for making sauerkraut. Number 1. Sichuan glass fermenting jar. It's easy to use. Simply fill it with your vegetables, spices, and brine, and you're ready to start preserving. Keep your pickled veggies fresh for years without artificial additives. Just add a little salt water for perfect results. The burp lid lets gases escape while keeping air out, ensuring proper preservation. The water lock prevents odors from escaping. It features an all-glass design with a simple water airlock. There are no rubber gaskets or moving parts to wear out. Create probiotic-rich foods like kimchi and sauerkraut. The fermentation process adds vitamins and promotes a healthy digestive system. With its 1.21-gallon capacity, it's perfect for making all your favorite fermented treats. Watch your creations ferment beautifully through the clear glass. What we like. Made entirely of glass, it's easy to clean and see your fermentation progress. The water airlock ensures proper fermentation without any rubber parts to wear out. If you prefer a simple, durable, and easy-to-clean fermenting jar with a large capacity, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Size and design wonderfully though out. The jar is made of sturdy glass and is an item to last a lifetime and to pass down to my grandchildren. Great for making crunchy fermented vegetables in couple days, easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.